as you already know, government has announced the loan moratorium. So what is meant by loan moratorium? So loan moratorium is nothing but you can skip your EMI for 3 months. So I'll tell you the advantages and disadvantages. So basically, if you skip the EMI for 3 months, so the advantages would be you can save that money and for any emergency purposes, as currently the pandemic situation is going on, so you can save that money for any emergency, medical emergency or something like that. And your credit score will not be decreased. So basically, normally in normal scenario, if you skip the EMI payments, your credit score will be decreased, but in this case the credit score will not be decreased, so it's fine. So now let's come to disadvantages. I have taken an example for you. So say my loan amount is 55 lakhs, and my loan term is 29 years, and interest rate is 8.32%. Okay, so I'm calculating the EMI using a function PMT. You can check in Google about PMT. So basically it takes the rate. So here P3 by 12. So P3 by 12 is nothing but a rate at a monthly level, and then B2 into 12. So basically I'm converting this term into months, and then we have B1. So B1 is nothing but my actually loan amount, my total loan amount. So this formula will actually give you the monthly EMI payments. So that would be around 41,000. So ignore dollars here. So I just you can actually format it as a rupee. So say for example 41,000 rupees. So now I wanted to calculate, since I am skipping 3 months, I wanted to calculate the interest levied on 3 months. So 3 months interest would be, so there is a formula called future value. So for future value, you need to give the interest rate and the number of months you are skipping and the outstanding amount. Okay. So I have given the same thing, and then I have, so what basically what I have done is I calculated the future value, and then I have my loan amount. So basically I calculate the future value minus my loan amount. So this would actually give me the interest rebate using the formula FV. So my interest is 1,15,000 for 3 months. So new principal would be, so my new principal would be this interest plus the outstanding amount. So this plus this would be my new principal after 3 months. Now new EMI for 29 years would be, just put the same formula here, but my investment would be this, like not my investment, my loan amount would be 56 lakhs. So that's why I have given B7. So now if you calculate the difference in EMIs, that would be 878. So this will have an effect of 870 rupees. So every month you need to pay 870 rupees extra, and the total interest extra amount to be paid would be 3 lakhs. So that's huge, right? So basically if you take the interest, no sorry, basically the total amount to be paid would be more than 3 lakhs. So it's up to you to decide, yeah, I would agree, people need money for emergency purposes, but if you have a stock of like money stock in your savings account or somewhere else, it's better to pay the amount rather than skipping the for 3 months. But if there is no other way, I think skipping for 3 months is a better option. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you one and all.